Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoor, standing outside one of my favorite line of fifth wheel toy haulers, the Keystone Fuzion. This one is the 369, one of their most popular models. Once you see everything here, you'll understand why. I'm standing on the 8-foot garage door, which also doubles as a party deck. We got the netting that goes all the way around. We even have some more ride steps that can hook up right here to give you secure entry point. But one of my favorite things about this one, bye Robert, we have a screen residential patio style door that you can use to do the entertaining inside or outside. Plus, we got an awning and LED lights that help give us some night light, some security, and cover when we're inside. We walk into the 11-foot garage right away. I hope you can see the adjust-a-track system, the rubberized floor. This is when you're looking to haul those bikes, those side-by-sides, golf carts. That adjust-a-track is really going to help make sure you get the right hookup where you want it, when you want it. And the great thing about toy haulers, you don't have to haul toys. These are great for that family that's looking to get out and entertain and just have some fun because of all the space and room that you have inside. We got a bed that's on an automatic drive here. We got the opposing sofas, which also folds out into a king-size bed. You could easily sleep 4 people back here and they stack up like bunks. But check out the overhead entertainment that I have right here. Not only do I have beautiful shaker style cabinets with brushed nickel fixtures giving me some storage, I got a Jensen 15-inch LED TV on a swivel. Got my controls right over here for lowering the beds there, my lights, and the exterior awning. Just a fantastic use of space. You're going to notice with Keystone, because they are one of the top manufacturers for like the last umpteen gajillion years on selling RVs. Trust me, I think you're really going to like this one. Walk through the glass door into the living area, and right away I am greeted by the brindle decor, which is the only negative I have to say about these Fuzion toy haulers. They got the brindle and the Eastwood decors. I think they're a little bit harder to tell the difference, but they both still look fantastic. Just take a look right here on the opposing side where we have our slide room. We got huge bay windows with the leather valances, giant air, giant light coming through, and giant leather sofa. Thomas Paine, which also reduces down into a sleeper. This has the heat, the light, you know, the whole nine, and the massage. So when you sit down, if you want to get a rub down from your chair, you absolutely could. Come over here back towards the garage. This is the area that the kids are going to fight over, the loft bunk. This ladder for the loft even stores underneath the bunk inside the garage. So Bob, if you want to take a little peek up there, by all means have at it. See that nice big air conditioner that they have up there? That's part of the Omni-Chill AC system that they have here. 3/4 ton AC system. You want to keep every area as cold as you possibly want, that Omni-Chill is going to make sure that happens. Come over to the entertainment center, this Neo angle. I got the large storage up top, brushed nickel fixtures on those solid wood shaker style cabinets. I got the hidden hinges, big fan of those. Got the frosted glass inlay, large TV on a swivel, wooden inlay here. The Jensen Command Center also has the J control where you can do everything from your phone with the app. So you throw the DVD in, it cuts the TV on, cuts the sound system on, the whole nine. Pretty cool app right there. Jensen sound bar, 3 different settings on this backlit LED fireplace that's electric. But we're not done with this one yet. Check out the hidden pantry. You want to hide the kids' Christmas presents? That's going to be a great spot to do it there. Just storage. I've said it many times for days when it comes to this unit here. This unit also comes with the Generation 3 in-command system, so you can control the lights, the heats, the awning, and it has Global Connect on it as well. In-command is fantastic. When you're out, it's hot, you're at the beach, oh, we got to cut the air conditioning on, boop, do it from your cell phone. And then when it's time to come back and entertain, how about some chairs that swivel? We sit right here. If I want to entertain, chat, watch TV, or kind of swing around and see what's going on with the couch, or just have some fun, go back and forth, these are a great addition. Plus, it's maximizing the space. I'm always talking about my grab and go spots. Look at the storage you have under there. That's a great spot for your bags, your gear. If you do use this for, you know, track season or whatever, that's a good spot for your boots and your helmets. But if you're looking for hunting, fishing, fantastic. Boom spots right there. Single piece poured Corian countertops, Love the look and feel of this U-shaped kitchen right here on the campsite. Plus, I got a giant window. I could see the kids playing outside if I wanted to. Single, large, undermounted stainless steel farmhouse style sink with the brushed nickel fixtures, high-rise faucet, and a sprayer handle. And these cabinets right here, I would take these and put these in my house. Plus, I got an LED night light on top. So when I cut all the lights off, I need a night light. That's a great spot for it. Large brushed nickel handles, and just take a look at the space and storage that I have here. And you got room. I got some underneath the sink. Plus, I have my trash compartment there. That's just a mark of Keystone. They want good manufacturing. They want to give you a lot of space and opulence. On my drawers, solid wood construction, full extension on the ball bearing drives. Just a great cooking kitchen. Recessed 3-burner cooktop over here with the glass cover and the grill grates. Easy to move those pots and pans around. I got the LED backlight on my knobs, the 21-inch Furion stove. And not to be outdone, how about some storage space for the pots and pans underneath? Plus there's my cutting boards and sink cover. Got the convection oven here, stainless steel, beautiful, matching these brushed nickel fixtures and strut supported access up there. If it was time to call it quits, wait a minute, I got a bottle opener here. I need something to open. Gee, let's take a look at the 18 cubic foot fridge freezer combo that we have here. 4 doors, runs on both gas and electric. That's space for those long weekends. Now with the insulation that you have here, not to mention that Omni-Chill system, I mean, these could be permanent residents because they're rated from 0 to 100 degrees. Just a great insulation. We'll talk a little bit more about that on the outside. But convenience, when we're talking on the inside, how about the road vac, central vac system? Got an access point underneath. It can reach all the corners, keeping it clean. And this residential style flooring almost looks like a wood cabin. Slip resistant, easy to clean, and beautiful. Speaking of beautiful, check out the bathroom with the solid wood barn style door that we have here. Porcelain bowl, foot flush. I got a large area for my single vanity. Got the residential style fixture there. And I got a mirrored medicine cabinet. Only thing I didn't like in this one, I'm not a big fan of these bull rings that they use for the towels. I like the hooks. I don't know, I'm a dude. What do you expect? Single surround shower right here. I do need the skylight to give me the headroom to be able to get everything done, but it's a beautiful skylight. It has the tinted inlay there, giving me lots of natural light. Plus I got the brushed nickel fixtures going all the way around and the glass shower door. Just residential. Walk through to the bathroom, but Bob's gonna come through the solid wood door that we have here for the master bedroom, giving you privacy from the rest of the camper. And right away, entertainment and beauty. I got a Jensen TV that's on a swivel, got my large window, got my deep well drawers right here, solid wood, once again on that full extension, ball bearing drives. Come over here, and you know, it took me a while, but once I started playing with this, I liked this setup. This is your mirrored ward. That door slides. This one opens. Look at the ease of access that I have to this storage area. But more important than that, we got washer and dryer prep. Bada bing, bada boom. Because you got to keep your racing gear closed after you win. Solid barn style doors on the wardrobe closet here too. And I like how they added this feature. The little extra security to make sure things stay in place while you're driving. King size bed in its own slide. I got some corner notches there giving me a little bit of nightstand space. But take a look at the lot of storage space that I have on the strut supported underneath right here under the king bed. That's a great spot. Now, if you're using it for toys and you're doing race season, great spot for the gear there. Golf carts, golf bags, boom. Hunting, fishing gear, hunting gear. Great spot for that here. Just style and opulence. I love how these look. I love how they're laid out. I love what Keystone does with their Fuzion toy haulers. Plus the Omni-Chill ACs. Got one here, got one in the garage, got one in the entertainment center. I'm gonna be able to stay the temperature that I want to stay whenever I want to stay high. So if you're that family that's looking to get out, do some entertaining, enjoy the outdoors, but you need the creature comforts of home, or you need that professional style garage, This 2020 Keystone Fuzion 369 is a fantastic option. We've seen how beautiful the inside is and some of the amenities we have here. Let's go take a gander at the outside and see what we got there. Okay, so here we are on the outside, the 2020 Keystone Fuzion 369, one of the most popular fifth wheel toy haulers you're gonna find. We saw how beautiful it was on the inside. Outside is just as nice. Look at the graphics. The paint that we have here on this end cap that is molded goes all the way around. Plus it has that radiant foil banner. I got the LED running lights. It just looks like I'm getting ready to do some stuff when you take a look at this thing. Got the Rotaflex fifth wheel trailer hitch, and fifth wheels are a little bit easier to tow because of how they lock up in the bed of your truck. But this right here is a fantastic fifth wheel hitch to have. Got storage underneath the end cap here. I got my 5,500 watt Onan Cummins generator right there. Got twin 30 LP tanks over here with my LP quick connects as well. Come around here to the campsite, watch your head. Got the battery box and the battery connections, generator connections there as well, right here. Got mounts for the double batteries. This is the hose for the system, the vacuum system that I talked about on the inside. But take a look at just even the molded drop storage that we have here. They took the extra precaution to keep that secured as well. Our in command Generation 3 command system, the headquarters right there. Pass-through storage, even lit and finished off. Plus we have a heated and enclosed underbelly. 6-point automatic leveling system on this bad boy with those hydraulic jacks. And I'd mentioned on the inside that we have the tanks have those heating pads on them that keeps the water inside the tanks from freezing while you're in transit. That's a fantastic option to have. True fit slides, and you're gonna notice too, we got the safety sealed tinted glass all the way around this camper. The only thing I would have asked Keystone to put on the outside, instead of giving me the little metal clips, give me the magnets. Put the magnets up there. Exterior entertainment system, you can mount a TV here. There's your Key TV connection. Key TV is fantastic because it just has all your connections put into one so you're not chasing cables. Got a little mini fridge there as well. More ride steps leading up to the entry, plus the extended extra large grab handle. And I have dual awnings here with the Jensen sound system on the inside, Sony speakers that are dual zone both inside and outside, so I could do my entertaining, set up the grill, have some fun. I mean, just look at the space that we have here. I got an awning on the back, 2 awnings here, great entertainment. Access point to the garage here, 16-inch aluminum wheels. And take a look at the CRE 3000 suspension that we have here. Plus, these have 12x2 disc brakes on every wheel. If you're looking for that safety and suspension and control, that's a fantastic option to have. Plus, that CRE, listen, got one of my bike guys coming up now because he wants his toy hauler. If you're looking for that safety and suspension, that's gonna be a fantastic option. Storage is something you're not gonna have to worry about with this 369. This is the quick access point for when you buy a Fuzion, you get the Fuzion accessory kit. And it just folds up, great little storage spot there. They even took look at the ceiling on this glass that goes all the way around. It's fantastic. Entry point for my deck right here. There's the legs I talked about at the beginning. And take a look at just looking into this toy hauler. This is a fantastic one for entertaining. Got my extendable ladder here. Takes me up to the top so I can do some roof maintenance. The fuel dispensing system is here. Now I got dual 30-gallon tanks on this with the electric pump. Got my handle there. The pump is 12 volt. So just be careful with that. If you know how to use a toy hauler, you know what I'm talking about. 50 amp plug right there. This is the slide that has that 18 cubic foot fridge and that giant, beautiful leather sofa. Now my access points are down underneath the slide. The gray tank is right down there underneath. This is the exhaust for the generator over here. I got my tank filled there. Right in here, love what Keystone did with this. Take a look at how easy they made this operating system, this access point out here with the color coding, valve positions, power fill, because you got your winterization, you got your spray port, Key TV connection, tank valve, gray tank flush, black tank flush. I got my port here. I mean, just having this is going to make life so much easier for you. Right there, I talked about that hydraulic system for the 6-point leveling right there. And here's the commands for the electronic leveling. Easy to access, easy to get to, easy to own and operate. It's another great calling card of Keystone. But when you're looking at any RV, you want to check out this right here. This is the most important part, the info panel. What's the unloaded vehicle weight for this one? 13,500 pounds. What about the gross vehicle weight? 17,000 pounds. That's where you need to ask the specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors, what does that mean? What gross vehicle weight? What unloaded weight? What does that mean? Here's what my truck can tow. You're gonna need a heavy duty truck to tow this fifth wheel, but if you're a family or professional racer and you wanna load up the stuff and go to the track, this 2020 Keystone Fuzion 369 is a fantastic option for either of you to take a look at. But leave me some comments down below and let me know, what'd you think of this toy hauler? What'd you like about it? What'd you not like about it? Because I love hearing from you. And please like and subscribe. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come check out a camper. I'll see you soon.